Alright guys, so we got a package from SpeedUp and I know this is Oraimo Watch 3 Plus. I got this right now and I decided to just open this guy with you guys so that we can see what's inside the box and share with you my first impression. Without wasting much of your time, Babatunde Motal here, and let's get down to business. It comes in this well protected nylon and there we go. This is Oraimo Watch 3 Plus. Stay healthy, stay connected, wireless call. And this is very small. By the side here, you are going to see more watch faces to choose from, and Oraimo Watch 3 Plus with the model number OSW33N and other specifications. And underneath, you are going to see sold in 60 countries, keep exploring. And by this side, you are going to see some other specs, which are 1.83 TFT color screen, wireless call, all-day health monitoring, built-in music player, and this is the main reason why I bought this guy here. 120 plus sport mode and 7 days battery life. And at the back, I thought we are going to see Burna Boy, but here we have authentication center and 365 days warranty, and that's pretty much it. And in case you want to get this Oraimo Watch 3 Plus, you can get it from Oraimo eShop website for 26,500 naira, which is about $26 right now. You can also get it cheaper by using the discount code bracket, and this is going to give you 5% discount off from the original price of this Oraimo Watch 3 Plus, like Ghana, Kenya and Nigeria. So use the discount code and let's continue with the rest of the video. Wow, nice presentation here. So we have the watch itself. So let's bring out this pack. And this is it. So we are greeted by the watch first, and by the side here we are going to see the charging cable. That is the normal magnetic charging cable. This is a 4-pin, just like the one in the Oraimo Watch 2 Plus. And the next thing you are going to find here is the user manual. So you can go through that, the welcome guide, a little bit lengthy. You can go through that. It comes in different languages, and that is pretty much it. Here is the smartwatch itself. Let's peel this off. The screen looks nice, and this looks like AMOLED, but it is not AMOLED. This is TFT. I'm trying to switch it on right now. It is not coming on. That means it is low on battery, so I have to charge it up before I start using it. Oh, you can see it is almost charged. That is 98%, and I don't know why it is not coming on. So let me remove it. All right, so it has come up. So this is scan QR code. I thought it was low on battery, but it has come on. So let's check around it. This has 2 buttons. One is with green accent and the other one with normal gray. And at the back here you can see the Oraimo branding and the CE IP68 and other certifications with the FCCID model number. And by this side here you are going to see the speaker grill, which is by the left hand side, and that is pretty much it. On the strap itself you can see the Oraimo branding on it. This strap is a little bit longer than I expected it. It is not as this, but almost. So this is similar to the Oraimo Watch 2 Plus. So the first thing to do here is to connect it to my smartphone. So I'm going to connect it up to my smartphone right now. That is Oraimo Health app. So let me scan this. And you can see disconnecting already. Bind successfully, and that is it. Swipe down will give you the quick access to the menu. Swipe left will grant you shortcut to the count of the day and the measurement of your heart rate and your pressure. and some other stuff like that. So I think it comes with sleep recording also, and left is your music, and as you can see, so this second button is for shortcuts to the exercise. It comes with a lot of exercise mode. So you have 120. I know this is not up to 120 here, but you can add more exercise mode to it via the app. So that is it. And to change it, let me see wallpaper that you can see here. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the last one. So I like this. I like this. So what I want to check out here is the importing of music. Let me see how it works, and I'm going to share with you guys full details on how to import music on this, because I don't know how I'm going to do this, and I don't want this video to be very long. So I'm just going to show you guys the full details, or make a separate video on this importing of music to your smartwatch. I think what matters most is the storage of this guy here. So I'm going to share a lot about that in my full review video. Player, tap on it, and this is the music interface. Here you can increase the volume if you want to increase the volume, and here is if you want it to play via the watch, the phone, or the earphones. Okay, so that means you can use your Oraimo FreePulse 3 Lite. You can use your Oraimo FreePulse 3, Oraimo FreePulse Lite. You can use your Oraimo FreePulse Pro, or whatever Oraimo earbuds you want to use. So here on the manual, they have stated there, which you can see here. It says you can use your Oraimo FreePulse 4. For example, you can use your Oraimo FreePulse Lite, and it's going to connect. So to my first impression about this Oraimo Watch 3 Plus here, I think is a very good one. The design is from the Oraimo Watch 2 Plus, and from the back I'm seeing something that is looking like the Apple Watch. Okay, I mean this sensor side, and it looks nice actually. From what I've just seen inside now, so when I tap this, it's going to take me to the call and exercise and other features and function of the smartwatch, and there I can scroll down. I notice that the interface is very smooth and fluid. Guys, let me just stop here. I'm going to share with you guys my full review and everything you need to know about it, and how you can add music to it, and how much music this guy can take, and some other stuff you need to know about this Oraimo Watch 3 Plus. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section, and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I remember babsomotden, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.